Mama, remember you say all left again. Can't lose to them. Man up. Action.
So what do I give tonight? Listen, I'm gonna be here for the boring thing this summer, you know. I make sure I can carry my dolly outfit then. Worst like how me hear say such man a day in the place. Don't run with me. So when football match I go keep, because you know say Queen dead and ep4 postponed. You know my thing that. Of course me need to go outside. Who dress up me dress up for football match, I have to impress. Just find out to the party I keep on make me know. Yeah man. Later. Log on 5. Log on Bubbles.
with this for now?
I don't want nothing away down my conscience. I want to free up my spirit.
So all of a sudden you just develop a conscience?
Oh, wow. You turn Christian? Yeah.
What?
I baptized 2 weeks ago.
You serious?
I not lie. I did hate you for what you do to my sister. I did despise you know. I just the anger when I did have in me. So I tell myself, say, yo, I go just go around and hurt everybody will hurt me. But when I nearly lose my life a couple months ago, I tell myself, say, I can't continue so. You understand?
You nearly lose your life?
Yeah. I leave a boxing match a couple months ago and some youth rushed me and left me for dead.
Janelle, Slimmers, get up. Jay, get up. You're stronger than this. This is not your time. Get up. Get up. But they are with you. But now I'll leave you. So do me a favor, sis. Get up. But now I'll leave you. Get up. Get up. Get up.
So Slimmers, you expect me to believe that story there? Remember say you trod upon the dark side, you know, my girl. And you have the baddest crocodile them round you. So how you leave your head back careless to make man run in on you?
Bubbles, me did plan for left the game. But my old lady sort out a house for me. And Carlton left a trust fund for me and my sister.
What? Why Carlton would have left a trust fund for you and your sister? And what kind of dealings under the inner?
My mother used to work for him. That before she cut and got Bellevue. So I don't know if I tell himself, say, alright then him have to take care of it.
No sir. I want to move this. I must want to move this. Let me check if my camera there about this place. So what else happened?
Miss Goody, you can tell me how to link with Carlton, please. I need to make the peace with him too.
You can't forget about that one day. That's not possible.
You shouldn't be walking around yet, Mr. Wallace.
Oh, I was wondering if you see me.
I didn't.
You never see me?
I'm not seeing you.
But I'm right. I mean, you. Oh, you
Legally blind? Yes.
rotted. Sorry, I never realized.
Well, you'd have to be very observant to notice. I don't move like the average blind person.
Yeah, because I never see you use a cane and you move around like somebody who have sight.
I lost my sight, but I gained vision.
Explain that.
I see you based on your frequency. The closer you are to me, I see a color pattern around you. That basically tells me who you are, your character.
That deep. So you're born blind?
No. I woke up one morning about 15 years ago without sight. Doctors can't explain why.
Sorry to hear. So you're here by yourself?
Yes, I am. And I do just fine. Would you like something to drink?
Water, please. So this healing hands thing, you do it for a living?
Yes. It's called energetic healing. I'm what you'd call a holistic wellness minister. I help people heal their physical bodies, their minds, their spirits, their meds, sometimes even their finances.
Well, I just want to tell you thanks for helping out with my situation. Thank you.
Alright. I understand that this is a lot for digest. But I am a changed person. As God as my witness, I am a changed person. You know, say, when me in the hospital, my sister spirit come and tell me, say, I need to make peace with all of whom I have issue with. And it look like our spirit now go rest until that happen. So that's why I'm there, so. Alright, may I come leave now? I'm going to hope when you can't find it in our heart, if you forgive me. Take care.
One thing, she sound genuine. Me not trust her. What you think? But not even know, you know. All me know, she not go see Carlton. You know some of her ask you the longest while. What go on with Carlton case? Yeah. Trey was so busy, we not even keep up with each other life.
That is another story for another day.
You try tell me now. A long time I not lock up, you know, and no trial date.
I'm sure I'm ready for this.
Yes.
Simone is the only person I know in school that never judged me. I was always a unique soul. Not many understood.
Yeah, that's Simone. Always trying to understand others.
You should go lie down, Mr. Wallace. It's harder to heal if you keep moving around.
Okay. Bye.
You're extra bad.
What do you mean? I have to check everywhere to see if I see camera. Cause after morning, then I listen to a movie. What do you say you do? You broke Carlton out of prison? You sure you don't want to talk a little louder for the neighbor them here?
Right. You look like a load in a child.
Simone, you know a serious something that do. You know you look on prison time if anybody find out.
Oh, you have to team up with the doctor woman there.
She's the only person I know I could have get one letter for me so I can get him out of prison.
So why you never call me, Simone? I know so we live.
Bubbles, you always did it for you. You know, I appreciate that, but you know, so you have your own issues that I deal with, so.
That no say Simone. You know say me
Angie. You can't always do a detective or savior. I know say me no good enough, but some issues we have to just deal with by ourselves.
A true Bubbles. We have to carry our own across. And you have your life to focus on too.
You know I love you, right? Me just want to know so my friend them alright.
Okay, man. Me do. Because we always a call for you. You just feel like you must always be detective mode. That's what she's fear. That's why I'm going to stop calling you Bubbles and call you by your government name. Angie.
No bother with you.
Angela.
Don't bother with you.
Stop Angelina.
Stop.
Don't worry yourself.
Come on.
Oh boy, man. Smart man.
Yeah, who are you? Yeah, keep your name and cancel them.
Brother, I'm confused. What you want me to do? Answer the question or follow the instruction?
Yeah, keep your name and cancel them. Yo, let's shop.
How you find out that, brother?
Yeah, come here, Dan.
I have a license for that, you know.
Let me see some ID.
Good. You don't move some on me, brother.
Yeah, police.
Well, at least you can read.
Look. Still not answering yet, you know. Yeah, follow me up for.
No, follow you, my lord. Stop to get some food, that's all. You know, we can have your charge for assault, right? You would know that since you're police.
I'm not going to watch me, though.
Okay, how you go? No, man. But you have a healthy imagination, though, my lord. Relax, man. You know what you need? Some of the old time chamomile tea there for just relax your nerves, you know what I mean? But pick up yourself.
I see you, man. I see you. Marcus, tell me something. I send a really sense somebody to watch me. Eh?
Yeah, boss. Weak fence located. Send on the next project.
Shop open. I wonder if shop is there.
No, you're not there. You're not there, man.
So how you know that?
I'm going to country and do some business about 3 weeks.
Something look different about the shop. The umbrella missing.
Oh, I'm going to get a new one because the last one's here. So I'm going to try brighten up at the shop and thing.
So we're on the shop now?
Me, kinda.
What do you mean, kinda?
I'm asked me to invest in it because I'm going through some rough time now. So I just stack it back and I try to find somebody to run it.
You're sneaky, then a little girl.
What make you say that?
Because you don't mention nothing to me.
Bubbles, I'm so busy, you know. And I'm on probation at work. And so when I work for people, you can let it at any time. So, might as well just go and run this shopping.
I'm glad for no say you get back your job. And it's good for investing. You know, you can earn a little extra money on the side. You get shopping the bracelet?
Yeah. But I don't feel money. I just want to look like it.
What a coincidence.
You think me a lie, don't it? Come sure, because it's what on the inside. fee money here. That's the one you really give me. So this is a 2 different bracelet. The one where you give me have some form of mud on it and fee money there all along. You love shopping, not true? I always love him, you know. But me and shopping can't in and nothing. This is just a business arrangement. 5. Shoppy, my nephew. I love him dearly. But be careful who you protect and who you go out on a limb for, yeah? I hope one day you tell me what all of them really I mean. Because it seems like something I'm between you and nephew. And you don't want to say it. You're gonna know, 5. You're gonna know. You so know. Later. Everything alright? I hope so. Over there to the Simone.
You know, I remember but they are dealing with so much things, man.
I don't know. Me try. They try see if me can make it, cause Mr. mentioned same I come over. Same one talk.
Oh, that sounds like a proposal. I come propose.
Simone, not a propose.
But I try my best when I can come, you know, because, you know, I thought me I do for one of the guests them, I try like it about the place, so, but I love when I company.
Alright. Depending upon what we talk about, and if me in the mood, after that.
You see so nice funny, because I'm going to say, you have your things to deal with, and me have my things to deal with. So that's the more thing I should just, you know, I don't have myself and them something.
I understand, Simone. But you know, as usual, me always want to make sure so I'm alright. So, but that's have to deal with what me have to deal with and sort it out. But as I say, when him. Oh my God. Alright, me call her and tell her. Yeah.
Angie, say something now.
You seen somebody else here?
What? No. Angie, it's just that...
It's alright. I understand. You don't have to explain.
You understand?
Yeah. We haven't spent time together. And you haven't slept here in over a month. When I call you have cases I handle, and I know my business cut into a lot of our me time. But that's the consequence of being self-employed.
Well, Angie, sometimes it's just coming like your business more important than me, you know.
It's not Aaron, but it requires more focus than a 9 to 5. Where's the company young? Hear what? Let's take the break like you suggested.
You sure you got alright with that?
Is this a breakup or a break?
It's a break.
Alright. When I get more settled in my business and I can be a companion to you, then we'll get back together. Hopefully by then, you don't move on.
Here it is. Go here for them. Thanks for the understanding. And hopefully we'll get past this.
When we'll link up again, we'll take it from where we live.
Suit yourself, Angie. Sounds like a plan.
So Tiffany, you enjoyed yourself?
Yes, I was with you. So, of course, I had a good time.
I still can't believe we have so much in common.
I can believe. That's why we're not home.
What? Tiffany, say that again. But say it slow.
I said, you're my man.
Tiffany, but this is our first official date.
So what are you saying? We've been dating for what? 6 months, 2 weeks? I'll go after what I want.
No girl, no normal lyrics, me, you know? I swear you have big man a blush.
Well, there's a first for everything, and I can have you doing other things. you know, I'm not like them other girls.
Alright, so Tiffany, as long as you're serious, I am serious as well. I want you to be a part of me. And you know, like my past was bad and I want to be happy in my future, and I actually see a future with you.
I'm serious, but like I'm joking. Like as I said, I go after what I want. I want you, and let's just see where this goes.
Alright, babes. Let's get you home.
Now the night to end though. Can't we do something else? Still, it's a long one.
So Tiffany, you sure it's okay?
I wouldn't say it if it wasn't okay.
You know you're somewhere else though. You know?
Believe me, baby. I know.
Alright.
Yeah, sore lose either, you know that. Why you? We win the game fair and square, here, man. Well, you can't play me, you know that. Anyway, we have our next match next week. Alright, brother, cool. Yeah, man. Morning. Why isn't Tiffany in her room?
Because she's not home.
So she stayed out all night.
Mm-hmm.
And you allowed that?
Marcus, what is it? She's at her friend's house, Cara. They didn't want to come home last night because it was too late.
And you never see it necessary to tell me that?
Oops. Must have slipped me. I'm sorry.
Slipped you? Something like that don't just slip you, Michelle. You know this is serious times we're living in. How you even know that she slept at Cara's house?
Because I trust my daughter.
Trust her. She has been away from home for 2 years. Her new college lifestyle could have changed her and she's a totally different person. We don't know much about Tiffany.
And you're saying that to say what, actually?
You know, it's parents like
What?
you.
What? Parents like me what, Marcus?
Okay. Let me make this clear. As of today, this is the only house that she'll be sleeping in, only under this roof, nowhere else. And you are going to ensure that she comes home at a reasonable hour. Am I clear?
Oh my God, Marcus, she's not a child or a prisoner.
No, she's the daughter of a government minister. And that will be taken into strict consideration by both you and her. And we will not be having this conversation anymore. This is my house, and there will be rules.
Where have you been?
Good morning, Mr. Willis.
Good morning. Tiffany! Mr. What you did there?
Could you just calm down?
I was out with my friends. Mom didn't tell you?
Tiffany, your father said that you're not supposed to sleep out anymore, and if you are going out with your friends, you should come home at a reasonable time.
Where am I? A girl's home or a female prison?
You are in your father's house. And in your father's house, there are rules that you must abide by.
You do realize I'm not a child, right?
In this house, you are a child. Don't look at her. My word is final. There's too much happening out in the world for me to allow you to go and come as you please.
Oh, so now you want to play the father role. Now you want to be setting rules. Well, guess what? I don't care about your rules.
Be careful, young lady.
Or else what? You're going to discipline me like how you do the others that cross you?
Tiffany, stop.
No, I'm not going to stop. You can stay here and take his foolishness, but I won't. As a matter of fact, I'm not staying here.
Tiffany, please don't go. Tiffany, you happy now?
She too spoiled, and you encourage it.
You are unbelievable.
You think I don't see what you're trying to do, Michelle? You don't think I see what you're trying to do? You're trying to turn my child against me and make me out to be the bad guy.
I don't need to do that, darling. You're doing that all by yourself. Selfish and get out my sight.
And where do you think you're going?
Anywhere but here.
Tiffany, please, don't go.
I'm 18 years old. I will not stay in this house and be dictated to by this tyrant.
Marcus! Marcus, let her go! Tiffany, please. Tiffany. If anything happens to my daughter, it's on you.
You can come pick me up. We're at the minister house.